All right, I just wanted to take you through, give you a picture here of a little short video and an explanation of what we done and kind of what we used here. You'll see in the video where we had an island with the granite countertops and stuff, and we refurbished this thing. So our whole project here was like a $350 out-of-pocket project. So we reclaimed, we repurposed, we reused. This table was my anniversary gift for our first anniversary to my wife. We've been married 35 years, so 35 plus year old table that I took off, moved on the island that was here, and I took it apart and added a cabinet to it to make 3 cabinets instead of 2 like it was. Took the old top that was on the island, which that matches all the countertops that's on the kitchen here. And these were slabs that I bought in a renew store for $10 a section. So I repurposed that and put it over here on this cabinet. So the only thing that we actually bought was we bought this cabinet, which I still have to go get some handles for that, was that cabinet. And we bought this cabinet right here. Everything else other than screws, we literally had hanging around here at Heritage Gate Farm. So cheap project, big results.